Hello, friends. Today I will show you how can we easily share our premium account details to other people using the Cookies Editor add-on. With Cookies Editor, we can easily import and export our cookies. It is a very useful add-ons. Cause with these add-ons we can easily share our premium accounts like Prime Video, Netflix, Grammarly or Canvas to other people. One most good thing is if you share your account with other people using the Cookies Editor, no one changes your password. For this video making purpose I will export my premium Netflix and Canva account cookies, then will import to another browser. Let's start. First we need to install Cookies Editor's add-ons. We can use both Firefox and Chrome browser. We can find this add-on by searching Google. I have already installed add-on in this browser, so first I need to visit my account website. One thing, your account must be in login position. First, click on Cookies Editor add-on. Then need to click on Export. Cookies will be auto-copied. After that, I will go my another browser and will install Cookies Editor add-on. After installed add-on, will visit the website. First need to clear all cookies, then click on import and paste the cookies. After that need to click on import. After the refresh the browser, account will be auto login. Thank you for watching.